And that's brought us to 1:44 here on Gravity FM. I was talking about my birthday yesterday, and Rob from Colesworth, our very, very loyal listener, and Michelle, his lady friend, all the way from the US of A, sent me a belated happy birthday. I don't know why it was belated, because it came on my birthday, but it was the thought that counts. And it was actually an audio birthday sort of wish, which I was very, very pleased about, and to be honest, very, very, very surprised, because I didn't expect them to go to so much effort for me, but it was really, really nice. Now, this is what I had on my computer when I checked my birthday messages last night, and really pleased.
Belated happy birthday, Dennis K.
There we go. It was a little bit, obviously not radio quality, but what it was is Rob in England and also Michelle in America saying happy birthday. And I thank you both for that. Really nice of you to put the effort in to do that for me. You're a couple of stars on your own, definitely. And, of course, we've got our Tunection. Now, this is put together especially for us by Rob, one of our very, very loyal listeners, who puts the effort in to make sure that we are entertained, and not just entertained, gives us a chance to test our brains a bit. And today's will test your brains. I'm not sure whether or not. I think you'll get it anyway. At least I hope so. But we will be doing that. We'll start that just after 2:15. So you've got a little bit of time to get yourself ready for it with Tunection. So it's going to be good. Very good indeed, I'm sure. But yeah, a lot to look forward to in the Grantham area, and a lot to look forward to here on Gravity FM. We're running just a little bit late, but after the next song, we will start Rob's Tunection. Yep, Tunection, where you have to connect the tunes together. Today he's selected 3 tunes, and you've got to identify them, and then the connection. So you've got a lot of work to do, but I'd rather have you using those brains than just sort of leaving them idle and you going off the boil. We like to keep our audience entertained. Right then, let's get on with Rob's Tunection, shall we? Now, Rob very kindly puts these together.
Name Rob's Tunection.
Wait a minute.
Tune 1.
Wait a minute. Oops, nearly got it round the neck there. Yeah. So he kindly puts them together for us, and it takes quite a bit of work to do. So well done, Rob. Okay, all of you, have a listen. This is the first tune, and if you recognise it, write down who it is and what it is, and then we'll move on to tune 2 and tune 3 to see if you can get the connection. That's why it's called Tunection on a Tuesday now. Yes. Have a listen to this. See if you can suss it out.
Name Rob's Tunection. Tune 1.
What's that? Now, I think that's pretty obvious. Everybody knows it. Everybody, well, I say everybody. I've not given any clues, but it does sound familiar. Listen again.
Name Rob's Tunection. Tune 1.
Do you think you know? Well, let's think. Sorry, I'd played that back, and I didn't switch the speakers on for Betty, so she didn't hear it first. Hello, the phone's ringing already. Let's do it one more time.
Name Rob's Tunection. Tune 1.
There you go. That's the first one. That is the first one. So,
Yes, very well.
have you got that one? If you know what it is, just jot it down because there will be a link. They are connected in some way. We're just not telling you how. You've got to work that one out. So, stay tuned. And more will follow, I promise you. In Tunection on a Tuesday with Dennis Kay. And, of course, put together by Rob. So well done, Rob. We really enjoy your Tunections. Right, now I've got to make things straight on here. Ben, I'm afraid you've been ruled out today of this competition. He's just sent in the answer to question 3, which I haven't even played yet. So, what I know is that Ben has been in communication with Rob, and Rob sent him a copy of the song. That's not allowed. It's got to come through Gravity FM, and there shouldn't be any private communication with Rob as regards this quiz. So this week, Ben, I'm sorry, but I'm ruling you out. We're not having a backdoor method of entering the quiz. Sorry, but it's got to be fair. It's got to be fair to everybody. And if you're not able to hear the broadcast, then that's just, a situation that you'll have to rectify, or you'll have to wait till you can hear the broadcast. It's got to come through the radio station, and it's got to be done in a fair way. And having you answer the third question before I even get it, it's not on, I'm afraid, Ben, before I even put it out. So, in fairness to all the other people who are just listening and waiting and doing the right thing, this week Ben will be eliminated from the competition. But I think we have to be fair. It is a radio and internet quiz where you can actually hear the live broadcast, not a recording sent by somebody else. And that is a rule I will stick to. I'm sorry, I have to, because of that. No collusions or anything like that. Ben, I know you love playing the quiz, and I do apologise, that it's caused you a problem by moving days. As Rob said, it was all fair and square with Ben. I just sent the 3 tracks together with no clues. That's fine, but you don't do that, Rob, because you cannot favour anybody. You have to let it go through the radio, and then we take it from there. I know it sounds harsh, but I'm being fair to all listeners, and that's the word, listeners. If they're not listening, they can't be competing. That's the way I look at it anyway. So, we've got top scorers today already, haven't we, Betty, in this?
We have indeed.
Well done.
Well, that means that Barraby Steve has scored 14 points. That's 4 for each track and 2 for the connection.
Yeah.
And the same for Marco.
Well done to both of you. Well done indeed. Right then, let's have a listen to all 3, so that anybody else who's missed out or is not sure, wants to hear all 3 combined, then we'll do that now and see whether or not it helps you in any way whatsoever.
Name Rob's Connection. Tune 1. Tune 2. Tune 3. Name Rob's Connection. With Dennis Kay.
There you go. That's the 3. Can you do anything with that? Well, if you recognise what they are, let us know, and let us know what the connection or tunection is. I'll go through them one more time so that you can have another listen.
Name Rob's Connection. Tune 1. Tune 2. Tune 3. Name Rob's Connection. With Dennis Kay.
There you go. That has rounded it all off. That was the last time we'll do it. So let's see if anyone has got it right or wrong. We know 2 people have got it right, definitely, all the way through. But do you know what they are? And have a punt if you're not sure. Have a punt and have a go at it to see whether or not you are right or wrong. So that's the way to do it.
I made this.